Hello my viewers. Hello my subscribers. Hello to everyone. Good afternoon to each and every one of you. We have here again a simple lunch meal. Simple lunch meal runs with a simple living too. Wow! With us matching rice, juices, bread, and duko lansones. Who wants to eat lansones? We are plenty of lansones here. Did you see that one crate of lansones? If you are here, you are free to get one bag of lansones. Wow! So delicious, so sweet. Wow! So yummy! It has many nutrients at our body. Wow! I'm already hungry. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day and farewell.